Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. Thank you to my new subscribers. I really appreciate you joining Mel's World. And if you're new here, you are welcome too. But most of all, I want to thank my online friends. I say it every single time, you guys are the best. You online friends, you are so kind to me. Even when I don't upload a video because I need the rest. You're so faithful, you're so kind, and you're super supportive. And I just want to acknowledge you once again. Thank you so much for coming back and watching me on this week's video. Right, let's get onto it, okay? Sister, I'm about to tell you, I have to cut my hair. My hair needs a cut, not a trim, it needs a cut. Oh, I'm so annoyed. Now I have got several videos that show me cutting my hair at home. And once again, I'm here going to cut my hair, but I'm gonna be using a particular tool to cut my hair. You've seen it in the thumbnail. So if you're interested to see if it's an epic fail or it goes well, just hang on, okay? And we're gonna do it, okay? I'm a bit nervous. Right, so just so I can get straight into this, because I am feeling very nervous and I might end up talking myself out of doing this particular haircut. This is a hair cutting tool that I saw on Instagram, your good old Instagram, where I saw someone doing a home hair trim with this. Now this is just a copy of the original, which is called the Create cut or something like that. I'll leave the details down in the description bar below. I got this off of Amazon and it was something like $5.99 or $6.99. No particular brand, but I'm hoping that the thing is not going to ruin my hair. Anyway, this is what we have. In the package, you get two hair measuring cutting tools, okay? And you also get a pair of thinning scissors, which, I'm sorry. I won't be cutting my hair with this, but I will be cutting my hair with my own scissors. Ain't nobody gonna be cutting their hair with this thing. No, not today. Sorry. You'll see that on these hair tools, one is a happy face, sad face. You could use it either way, depending on whether you want the V shape at the back or a fringe, you know. And this is just for a straight cut, and it's a lot shorter, obviously. You can use it any way you like, okay? They also have these measuring guides to help you get a straight cut, which I find is quite helpful. Does it actually move? Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, it moves. It's okay. It's not, I know it's from China, so, you know what I mean, anything goes. The other thing I like about it is that they all have a clasp. It kind of wraps itself there. And on the inside of each of them, they have these teeth. They are hard plastic, which I'm kind of worried about that. I don't want it to rip through my hair. And the teeth are not flexible at all. So bear that in mind. Yeah, it's another risky one. I like to take risks here on this channel. Okay, so first of all, I need to give you a disclaimer. I'm not a hairstylist. I'm not a professional in any way when it comes to doing my hair. Okay, I just like doing my hair, so I don't mind making mistakes in my hair. Well, I do mind actually, but I don't mind making the mistakes, and I'm not doing this in a professional way. It's just me doing my hair, okay? So you don't need to go in the comments and going, you know, type away. You're not doing it properly. Sis, I don't care, okay? It's my hair. My hair is, I did the no oils, no butters thing, and my hair is still really dry from doing it. Now, I have to say, I didn't do the 30-day detox, however, Darren, it's not for me, okay? I'll leave a link up here for you to see my thoughts on the no oils, no butters. So anyway, this is what I'm left with. This is day 4. So first of all, I'm gonna keep my length long. I've got 2 levels in my hair. So I have this lot here, and then I have the part at the back and side. And of course, my back area, which is my problematic area, it's usually graduated. So I'm gonna be cutting it so there's a graduation at the back, probably at a slant. But yeah, that's going to be sectioned off, and I'm going to do that separately. You got to say a prayer for me, because once the hair is gone, it's gone, okay? I'm stalling. I'm so nervous. Oh dear. So let me section the hair. No, I'm going to go for the triangle look. I know it's not the most flattering for me, especially with my 10-finger forehead. Oh my word. At this point, I probably could put some butter or oil on it because I'm not with the thing. It's really important for me to make sure that my hair is cut while there's more texture in my hair. Otherwise, when it dries up, that thing is going to shrink. Okay, so the next thing I have to do is detangle my hair. So I'm just going to lightly finger detangle my hair before I put that tool into the hair. Because, oh my goodness, oh, the strands will come out then. Because those teeth do not look happy. Now they look angry teeth, you know. Well, I think I'm going to do my front area because they're no longer my bangs. So I'm just going to section those off. So that I know that I'm doing a straight cut, I'm going to make sure that this measuring bubble thing is actually facing me. So the idea is to put the hair in like that, clip it, and drag it down to about that there. That took a lot of moving around. Whew. Okay, so I'm just going to... Okay, so that's that one done. Let's go back here. Whoo! So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put both of them in there. This tool is not good. I don't know, I don't like it. I don't know how people have managed to do it because the teeth on here are awful. They're awful. Really, really hard on your hair. I have no idea what I'm doing. This tool is not as easy as they make it to look. Oh dear, I think when I've seen the videos, this has normally been done on, like, it's not textured hair they're doing it on, like the hair is just silken, it's just going right through the hair. But with my hair, and I'm in type 3 range, this is just, For this time, I think I'm gonna just put it where I want it to be because I'm not gliding it down. These teeth are savage. Okay, so this is probably what I need to take off. Probably a little bit more, but that's all I'm willing to take off right now. All right, so let's go. Oh, I don't know, that's too much. I can't see what I'm doing. I'm gonna have to do it in different sections. This is annoying me. This is not going too well. I did see a girl with 4C hair, nice thick hair, and I must admit, I don't remember seeing her running it down the hair strands. She just had it clipped where she wanted to cut it. Okay, so we're gonna give it another go, okay? All right, so. So lay the hair in and we're just trying to think when my hair really needs the trim. Okay, so I think I'm gonna trim that much off for now. This is the most fiddliest thing I've ever done before. Well, it definitely looks better. It looks healthier, it feels healthier. And we've got a little bit of shape there. Can you see? All right, okay then. All right then, hey, we are moving on. Now, because my hair is fine strands, low to medium density, I find that having a real blunt cut is probably better for me. I'm not going to go in and chop away on the ends to get a nice thinner edge because I need my hair to look like it's got some vavavoom. Okay, so can you see the shine even on my hair now? I've not put anything on my hair, but can you just see how my hair is just reacting so differently? All right, that's just the front and the sides done. Just cut a lot off. I've cut a lot off. Okay, so the back part, I'm gonna have to layer the back. So I'm gonna pull my hair at a 90-degree angle, I think it is, and just cut it like that. All right, so let's just see what I've got first. Got very jagged ends. Doesn't look as nice. Oh, that needs a tidy up, man. So what I'm gonna do is put the hair tool in the clasp. There's wispy bits. Here we go. Let's undo the whole, oh, it feels a lot better. Oh my goodness. It feels so much better. Let's add it all together. Okay, yes. But I've got the height and the body now from cutting the hair like that. So now I'm just gonna check if different areas, if it's symmetrical. Both sides are measuring the same. Yes. That, my dear, I think is it. Okay, so here's the juice, okay? My overall thoughts for this knockoff hair tool is that it's actually a really good idea. I must admit, even though I don't like the teeth on this particular one, this is a copy of the original, I do feel that it does make it so much easier. If you were doing layers, it would be able to really hold a lot of your hair in that section to be able to cut your hair in the shape that you want. However, these teeth are vicious in your hair. They really pull and tug at your root. You've got textured hair, curly hair, and it's, you know, 3/4 of the way detangled. You're gonna have problems. It's gonna hurt your hair. These measuring bubbles are rubbish. They're useless. You kind of like have your hair in it, and if you just move it with your hands, with your hair in, the oh, look at that. It's broken off. Well, I did pay $5.99 for it, so what do I expect? Of course, I will be leaving a picture at the end. Anyway, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Using this tool to trim or cut your hair at home yourself. Okay, so let me know if you would use a tool like this, or if you've used it before and what your results have been, or do you just prefer to stick with doing it the good old way with your scissors and hands? Or maybe you just want to go to the salon and get a professional to cut your hair for you. You got to let me know if you think I did a good job, okay, sis? Okay, guys, I'm gonna go and wash this hair now. I'm gonna give it a good wash and a good old deep condition. And don't forget to share the video, sis. You know, you got to pass it on to somebody that wants to trim their hair themselves, you know? Okay, I'm really going now. I'll see you again in my next video. You take care and God bless you. Mwah. Bye.